So what I'm gonna need you to do,
What?
get under here, you have to disconnect the old converter, right over there. Disconnect the old converter, put on the new one. Can you do that? Welcome back to Our Gold Road. So we are listening to this person grind in the background. He's doing his work while we do our work.
I mean, it's a DIY
Airstream
project on the house over there.
It is. This is a DIY video, so we got sound effects. Free sound effects, by the way. But we're working on the Airstream again. If y'all been watching us, our progress on the Airstream, we're doing most of the work on the inside, but now we're on the exterior. We got the decals off. You can watch our video we posted a couple weeks ago of
We
all
show
the
you
things
all the ways
of what not to do.
what not to do, and then finally the win.
Right.
The one for the win.
But now we have to get the residue off. So in this video, we're going to be working with clay bar and getting this residue off so we can be all nice and white before we polish the whole thing up. It's taking a long time. It's not the most fun thing we've ever done. But
Join us.
join us.
Start with a cool, clean surface. Unwrap and flatten clay in palm of hand. That's kind of gross. Thoroughly spray a 2 square foot section with the included instant detailer to lubricate finish. How about, let's do this as a team. I'm gonna spray, and then you do the clay.
Team, 1 tennis racket, 2 tennis rackets, so we can play doubles
No,
against that enemy.
Look,
This one. Not that much, just spray.
I did spray it. What is happening? Is it not working right now?
It is working. I told you it was going to take a long time.
No. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be like a 48-hour video.
So watch every second of it.
Maybe we should live stream this and just let people tune in and watch us all day and night. You know what this smells like? It smells like juicy fruit. It's a bubble gum.
Rub it.
Wait, did you use my Play-Doh?
No, it's not Play-Doh. Get the wet stuff. Black line is what you gotta get, not the blue.
Need more spray is what I need.
This is not real clay, this is clay. Right?
Oh, doing great.
Babe.
I'm doing it!
Little to your left.
No, I'm done.
No, you're good. Come
What?
on.
No. I'm not gonna do it.
Okay. Shoot
Why don't I just play?
Okay, sounds good.
That's great. Me too. A lot of work before you get to it.
So, subscribe to our channel now. It's gone. It did attack your head though.
Did it not? It like
It
totally
did.
dive bombed me. Was that a wasp?
It was like a cicada killer looking thing.
It was a big one?
It was big.
You know how like when you start a project and you find another fix? That happens all the time. Is this what I'm doing?
That's one you're holding right now.
So we need to remove this last part of the decals right here. And then we decided we're gonna pull it off and I'm gonna hold it while Trevor scrapes the decals. But then we realized, or Trevor realized that
This is out of track, right?
it's out of the track.
So
So it was installed incorrectly?
it's funny because what we're doing right now is not even what we were planning on doing. We're not even to what we're came here to do.
I know, it's those projects that lead to projects. Now what, like this is supposed to like slide and stuff? How, duh. I think it's because it's bent now. It's gotta be, you know. Want me to tell them to subscribe while I do this awesome work? Subscribe to our channel. I'll get this off next week. Babe.
So while Donna is doing the first round of residue removal, I get to replace the converter in the back because the old converter was fried and we noticed that the lights were dimming on in the trailer, or the lights were dimming in the trailer, which means that the converter did not switch the shore power to the trailer and they were just draining the battery. So I have to change the converter while she does that. With the converter done, and Donna's gonna finish up taking off all the old residue from the decals.
The first,
Yeah.
you have to
First-
come back for
first-
the second step.
Second. Yeah, I might. I'll think about it.
We just won't do the
So
driver's
after we-
side.
so after we
driver's
get-
side will not be as good as the passenger side.
Yeah, so we'll drive on the fast lane. We'll drive in the fast lane. So
I don't
everybody
see the
sees.
driver's side. It's fine.
Done. So now that those projects are done, our next projects are going to be polishing this 30-foot long motorhome, and then we're going to install some new lights in the master bedroom, and then we're going to make sure that she's waterproof. We're going to try to waterproof the roof to make sure there's no leaks in here.
We think she's pretty watertight. We haven't had any issues, but I just want to confirm everything is
Just like
watertight.
Just like we did with the Avian. We
Yes.
didn't have leaks in the Avian, but we sealed it to make sure we didn't get leaks.
Oh,
We're
we
gonna do
had
the
leaks
same
on
thing.
the window.
Well, I know, we still got to fix the windows. I'm talking about the Eternabond tape.
Oh yeah, that
Yeah.
we didn't have issues. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's going to be our next project. So don't forget to subscribe to check out the finish of this project. Hopefully that'll be soon. We're working really hard.
And the
hoping
title.
to get it done. And we got to get the title done. So that'll be fun. So we got to get inspection. We just got new tires on it. So she's looking beautiful.
Her new tires were so expensive.
Yeah. They're new tires for a motorhome are not cheap, by the way.
They're just black round things.
That's right. Black rubber that don't.
They just help us go down the road, I guess,
they
safely.
do. Safety. It's always
Totally
good.
worth it. But we're not going to get to all of that till we get back from camping next week. So work is on hold for a week.
Yes, and then we get back on this project. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, click right now to check out our decal removal video. We'll show you exactly what did and what didn't work for taking the decals off of our Airstream. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on our Gold Road.